Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Divine Codes Oracle by Leah Shoman. This is published by the Sacred Scribe Publishing. Thank you so much to Sacred Scribe for sending this my way. I am enjoying the decks that I have been reviewing from this publishing company. It's fantastic. This retails for $27.99 in the US, and as always, in the description box below, I will link where you can legitimately purchase it should you want to. All right, let's get into it. Activating, loving, safe, truthful, and divinely guided. This deck is not one thing, it's everything. It will be exactly what you need it to be in every season of life. It will attune to your energy when you hold it, and it will tell you exactly what you need to hear in that moment. You are called to hold the frequency of love. You are called to be the embodiment of love and anchor it into the earth plane. This deck is bringing forth pure love consciousness, for we as a collective need it now more than ever. Agreed. This is a 46 card deck and a 72-page guidebook. All right. We have the magnetic box here. Oh, cute. Darling, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. You always will be. Oh, that's so sweet. And there's the bottom of the box there. You are love. You always have been. You always will be. All right. Little intro card here. I love you, sweet one. Pass this love on to all those you encounter, for you are the connection point. You are the point in which tip the scales of balance between love and hate. You are the anchor in which love flows freely onto all those around you and into Mother Earth's ley lines, reaching those globally. Love always, Leah. Oh, here's the guidebook and then the cards here. There's the back. We've got like a pastel pink edging to it. That's very pretty. We'll get into more of that in a minute. I do want to take a peek at the guidebook to see if there's any important things we need to know before utilizing it. We do have a nice table of contents. Each card has their own page number. Fantastic. This deck is also filled with channeled cosmic poetry. Each poem is encoded with specific frequencies from different continents, scribed on many ley lines. The words have entangled with ley line energetics and contain an infusion of light codes that will transmit to you anytime you use the deck. All right, so it doesn't look like there's any specific way that we need to utilize it. Just like any kind of oracle deck, you use it how you want. Single card pull, 3-card spread, 5-card spread, and then it goes into each card. Awesome. Okay, let's get into it. So the cardstock, oh, nice. Okay, so it's nice in that sweet spot for me. It is medium thickness, not too thin. It doesn't feel like paper or very flimsy, but it also has that flexibility and snaps back. Nice. And it's your, typical oracle size. All right. Ooh, we got a collage art style. I like it. And then we do have a number, a title, and then a little blurb about it. So first step, we've got Leap of Faith. Light body activations. Heaven on earth. Dive deep. Cute. Cosmic support. Empowered empath. Dreamweaver. Ooh, dolphins. Dolphin codes. I don't know if you can tell, but these women are in a bath. Little single baths. Cute. Grounded starseed. Divine Channel. Heart Expansion. Oh, Rest and Retreat. Rose Child. I feel like this is another deck. I keep saying it, but like every time you use it, you'll find something new to see in the artwork. Oh, I love this. Songs of the Sea. Release and Surrender. Soul Collective. Valley of the Soul. Flow and Presence. Love that. This is a really good everyday deck. Like it said earlier, it can be whatever you need it for. Creative Center. I feel like a lot of healing can be accomplished with this deck too. Kind of like dig deep and hear what you need to hear. Crystalline Awakening. Crystal Visions. Q Stevie Nicks. It's always Q Stevie Nicks. Authentic Expression. Nice. Inner Balance. Embodiment Practice. Oh, multi-dimensional. This cat's face in particular. Love it. Receptivity. Star Power. Sea Turtle Energy. Soul Service. Bigger Picture. Oh my gosh. I had an Insta Stack or whatever camera. We used it for our wedding for our guest book. Mystic Messenger. Divine Union. Sacred Realm. We love a good orca. Light Leader. Divine Timelines. Self-acceptance. I love the messages in here. Violet Flame. Divine Realm. Pure Love. You're like really pretty. Mean Girls, I love it. Infinity and beyond. Revelations. Dark feminine. Sacred masculine. Fall in love with love. Oh, the two little cats down here. Time skip. And stand by me. All right, let's see how it shuffles. I really like the images. I like the messages. I think this is great for an everyday oracle, an everyday reading, specific questions. Shuffle's great. And I do want to try this side by side with this size. Oh yeah. Very cool. All right, let's see if it shuffles well. Yep. Don't have an issue with shuffling it this way either. This is such a pretty little pastel pink border edging there. All right, we're going to read For Heaven on Earth. Lemurian frequencies and collective harmony is coming to fruition. Keep holding the vision. All right, so the same blurb on the card is up at the top here. When we hold the vision of this paradise, we are operating in the quantum field. In this field, all that we desire to create is vibrating at a specific frequency, and in this frequency is where we can pull these desires into our tangible reality, creating a paradise for you in this human existence. You are the architect of your own reality. I really like this. I think there's something for everyone in here. I think, like I said earlier, it can be a healing deck. It can be an everyday deck. Specific questions. It can be for anything you want it to be. I love the art style. I think it's fun. I think it's very, you want to like jump into the artwork is what I'm feeling. I want to be where they are. I think it's really pretty. I think it's versatile. And I think if you are drawn to the messages that have been spoken about and the artwork, definitely check it out. The price tag is not a bad price tag for it either. So with that being said, I would love to know if you own this deck. Is this something you're excited about? Is this something that you think you could see using for a lot of different things? What are all of your thoughts? Let me know down in the comment section below. Thank you so much to Sacred Scribe Publishing for sending this deck my way. I am very excited to get to know it more. Thank you all for hanging out with me today. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me, and you will help me out by pushing me farther into the algorithm too. So thank you all so much for being here. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.